In this video, I'm going to show you how to add ChatGPT search on your Google Chrome browser. First of all, open Google Chrome browser and then go to chatgpt.com. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Then at the top right corner, here is your profile icon. Click on that. Then click on Get ChatGPT Search Extension. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Click on the extension icon at the top right corner. Pin the extension. Then open a new tab. Now, if you search anything on the search bar, it will automatically search on ChatGPT. Let me show you. It will automatically redirect ChatGPT and then you will get the search result. That's how we can add ChatGPT search on our Google Chrome browser. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this.